This is leek and potato soup from my kitchen, my recipe. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Greetings from London. Today I'm here with a new recipe, winter comforting soup which you can enjoy. A quick and easy recipe, leek and potato soup. And it's welcome everyone to my channel. This is Chef Ahmed. And today I'm here with a new recipe I'm gonna show you how to make leeks and potato soup. So I've got 2 sticks of leeks and I have some leftover roast potato from Sunday roast. So I'm gonna start up with chopping up the leeks, and I'm gonna give it a chunk cut. So my leeks are chopped down. I'm gonna put this aside in a container, the roasted potato in small cubes, so that it is easy to cook. And so this is somewhere around 500 grams of potatoes. See, roasted potato. I have cut it into small chunks. Additionally, I have got some thyme with me, fresh thyme. So thyme plays an important role, in making. I also got some fresh double cream to finish. I hope you try this recipe. My thymes are plugged. I'll just give it a quick rough chop. And let me show you how it's done. I have put the pan to heat, putting 100 gram butter in there. Now some creamy, some rich flavor to the soup. Use a little bit of oil. I'll start off with sweating down my chopped leeks into the butter, and to sweat this out until it becomes soft. So I have put this leeks into the butter. I'm cooking it. I'm making it soft, and once it becomes soft, it's gonna release some flavor into the butter. Ideally, this is a thick soup. This comes in the category of a thick soup. Now I'm gonna put my thyme into it. So I put the herbs, let it to cook for some time. So this is a vegetable stock paste. I'm gonna use 1 spoon. I've added the stock. I'm gonna cook it a little bit, and you can see all the leeks are trying to get separate from them. I'm gonna add my roasted potatoes. These one, diced one, I have added, and I'll give it a quick mix. I will add the stock then. Let's give it a mix. I'm adding a little bit of sea salt for seasoning. Give it a mix. Adding a half teaspoon of black pepper. Give it a mix. And this looks amazing, guys. Color, the leeks leaving a good color, and this looks fantastic. Time to add the stock. I'm adding almost 700 ml of vegetable stock. Now 1 mix, and I will leave it to boil. This looks nice. The leeks gonna leave some color. So, and this brown color from the potatoes will give it a mixed color, different color. I'll let this to boil. I'm gonna check the seasoning. I'm gonna give it a taste how it is after This is very nice, guys. I think this recipe needs to be tried by you all. Try this recipe and let me know in the comment box how is it and where are you watching my videos from. It would be a great support, So I'm gonna give it a good blend to this one. So it will take 10-15 minutes more to get this boil. So now my soup have started to boil now. Let's give it a blend. Ooh, nice. This looks amazing. Now time to give this a blend and make a soup out of it. So. Have turned out so good. Now time to finish the soup. So let me give it a taste. Check the seasoning. Very nice. So back again onto the heat. I'm gonna add a little bit cream to it. This is somewhere around 150 ml. So I have added the cream, and the color is gonna change a little bit. And we'll give it. Oh, can you see the color? The color has completely changed. If this is how it is, if you see it, consistency. If you go like this, oh, lovely. So to plate. I have got a soup bowl, a deep dish. So the soup is ready, and let me show you how I plate it. So, and you can see the consistency. Just tap a little bit, leeks oil, green oil, just small fried leeks, and that's some herbs to finish. That's it from today's video, guys. Hope you liked the video. Hope you like the recipe. And if you like my videos, if you like the recipe, subscribe to my channel. If you like the food, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, drop your comments, and shower your blessing, guys. Keep supporting, keep pushing it forward. That's it. Thank you, guys. Cheers.